Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Car safety features are day by day getting more and more advanced and sophisticated in terms of technology. In today's video, I will be talking about top 5 safety features that have had highest impact. But before we get started, make sure you watch my previous video on nitrogen gas in tires. So let's get going. Number 5. Lights. The lighting system of a motor vehicle consists of lighting and devices integrated to the front, side, and rear of the vehicle. This illuminates the roadway for the driver and increases the visibility of the vehicle. So, other drivers and pedestrians can see the vehicle and drive safely. But from past few years, another type of light is becoming very popular among the car industries, which is called daytime running lights. It is also known as TRLs. And due to this, a huge reduction is recorded in daytime crashes all over the world. Number 4. Seatbelt. The seatbelt is a vehicle safety device which is designed to protect the driver and passenger from a sudden movement which is done during a collision of the vehicle. So, the primary use of the seatbelt is to keep the occupants positioned inside the seat and preventing them from being ejected during a case of collision. Seatbelts are proven to be a lifesaver in the case of collision, so always buckle up. Number 3. Airbags. Airbags were made mandatory for passenger cars on both sides of the front seats in India. Since the invention of the airbag, it has changed dramatically in terms of technology. According to a survey, a person is 30% less likely to die in case of a front impact collision because of airbags. They save lives, and that is why modern vehicles are now equipped with 6 to 7 units in a single car. Number 2. Electronic Stability Control. The ECS is a computerized technology that improves vehicle stability by detecting wheel skid. When ESC detects loss of steering control, it automatically applies brakes to help steer the vehicle. Braking is automatically applied to wheels individually, such as the outer front wheel to counter oversteer and the rear inner wheel to counter understeer. Many people have misconceptions that ECS improves the cornering stability of the vehicle, but instead it helps to minimize the loss of control during a cornering situation. Number 1. Traction Control System or TCS. The TCS is basically the secondary function of ESC. Its function is to prevent loss of traction on the road. The TCS comes into action when throttle input and engine output torque are mismatched by the road conditions. When the traction control computer detects one or more driving wheels spinning faster than another, it invokes the ABS system of the vehicle to apply brake friction to those wheels. This braking action on slipping wheels will transfer power to the slower wheels with the help of differential. So, the traction control system is proven to be a lifesaver on rainy conditions, slippery roads, rough roads, or even on hard accelerations by the driver. Well, these were the top 5 safety features that all car manufacturers are offering nowadays. But according to me, the most important car safety feature is the driver's skill. A car with all the safety features in the world would not be able to save your life without a skilled driver. So, drive safe, stay safe.